hard not to love the simplicity and price point of the Chevy LS engine. They make great power from the factory, and they're very mod friendly, and that's exactly why we decided to install a ZEX perimeter plate nitrous system onto our C6 Corvette. We wanted to see how much power we could make with the factory LS2 under the hood, and we also wanted to see how much bang for our buck we got with a nitrous system like this. And with a price tag of under $900 for the entire kit, it's going to be hard to beat. The perimeter plate is a really nice piece. It has a bunch of holes on the inside that help distribute and atomize the nitrous as evenly as possible, and it bolts to standard GM 90mm and 102mm 4-bolt flanges. And if you want to make a little extra power, a fast 102 LSXR intake manifold like this one is a great addition. It's not required to make the nitrous work, but it will pick up a little bit of power, and we want to make as much power as possible. Also included in the kit is ZEX's patented electronic TPS switch. This eliminates the need for a wide open throttle switch or an activation button, and it's designed specifically to work with electronically controlled throttle bodies that you find on a lot of LS engines. Simply flip the arm switch on and you're ready to go. Another nice feature of a nitrous system like this is how easy it is to adjust. Right now we have 100 horsepower jets installed in the nitrous plate, but in just a few minutes we could swap them out and be running up to 250 horsepower worth of nitrous. And when you're racing and you need a little extra power, that can be the difference between a win and a loss. The ZEX LS Series perimeter plate kit for electronic throttle bodies like our C6 Corvette costs roughly $862. With a 100 shot, that's $8.62 per horsepower, but it'll spray up to 250 horsepower worth of nitrous. That's a wallet-friendly $3.44 per horsepower. Of course, we also added a second 10-pound bottle, remote bottle opener, and a bottle warmer for good measure. While the first two are nice to have, we'd highly recommend at least adding a bottle warmer to make sure your nitrous bottle is up to the correct pressure before spraying for optimum performance. ZEX also offers vehicle-specific kits for 5th generation Camaros, G8s, trucks and SUVs, cable throttle applications, and even a direct port kit for LSX intake manifolds. Now that we have the nitrous lines plumbed, the bottles mounted, and the perimeter plate installed between our factory throttle body and the LSXR intake manifold from Fast, we're ready to run the car down the track. First, we need to run the car in stock form so that we have a baseline number. After that, we're going to open up the bottles and see how much power and how much faster the car gets with spray. We just got done running the Corvette on nitrous and it picked up a huge amount of speed. It went 1173 at 121 miles per hour in the quarter mile. That's more than a full second and more than 10 miles per hour out the back, which is a big amount. The ZEX perimeter plate nitrous system is working awesome. As far as budget and power, this nitrous system is a perfect combination. If you're interested in picking up a system like this for your car, go to ZEX.com for more information. But for now, I'm gonna get back in the car and keep racing.